some quick ways on how to style your hair under 5 minutes. You may be on the go and you may be pressed for time. So you wake up, and this is obviously for a particular type of haircut, but let's just say your hair length is like this on top. It could be shorter on the sides. First thing is if you don't have extreme bedhead, then you need to use something that is going to work really, really quickly in your hair. And my new sea salt hair powder called Beach House can be a lifesaver, because all you need to do is just sprinkle it on your hair, get that powder working in, and you can see already it's building shape, right? So you're gonna start to work it into your hair, and it's gonna create some texture. Instant texture. You wanna get out the door, you wanna get things flowing quickly, and you could spend literally, seconds, right? Under a minute doing your hair just because of the product alone. So you can see it's working in nicely there. All of a sudden now you've got a spiked up look, and that took you seconds. If you want, you can, tousle it down a little bit, but anything to start controlling the hair to get it to look quickly, to look good quickly, that's where you need a product like this. Now this is going to be replacing my hair powder called Talc. This is just, in my opinion, it's got a light, fresh fragrance, it's better quality, and just overall a much more premium product. It's available now, shop.thesalonguy.com. Within seconds, you need something to get the hair working quickly. Another thing, right, is let's just say you might have a little bit of bedhead, your hair maybe is a little bit longer, you need something that's gonna help enhance maybe some waves or something. That's where Tidal Wave, my sea salt spray, comes in, my #1 bestseller. So what you can do while the hair is fully dry, it doesn't even have to be damp, you can actually spray in for maybe 5 spritzes, 6 spritzes. You don't need a lot of this. You see a lot of people with their own product lines or other brands, they're sitting there, 15, 20 sprays. You only need about 4 or 5 sprays of this. You actually don't want to overuse it, okay? So you spray Tidal Wave in the hair, and what it's going to do, especially if you have fine hair, what it's going to do is it's going to actually start to build in some texture and some pliability, and it's going to make your hair look healthier. It's going to make your hair look like you've got some light product in it, but nothing, greasy, nothing heavy, nothing shiny. It's really going to help give your hair a really, really nice, healthy looking texture. And it's going to build some volume into the hair, especially if you have fine hair, right? So Tidal Wave. And you can see these both fall under kind of that sea salt category. And also, this is the finest quality sea salt. It's sourced from the Dead Sea. So it's the finest quality sea salt you can use with loads and loads of benefits. And then, let's just say, okay, you've got massive bedhead and your hair is all over the place. Water, okay? This is a spray bottle. You can get a spray bottle anywhere. And basically what you want to do is just spritz down. This is really important. You want to spritz down. Don't completely drench your hair, but you want to spritz down the areas. Like say, for example, this area sticks up all the time, or let's just say this area stands up. So you can see I'm using a spray bottle that mists. It's like a misting spray. And then what you do is you just start to work the water slightly in to the hair. And what you're doing is you're kind of camouflaging any areas, let's just say on the sides here, that your sides stick out. You're like, oh, I hate the way my sides stick out, and it's annoying me. All you need to do is literally spritz the hair very, very lightly and then work your hands over that troubled area. And before you know it, you're going to have a hair fix really, really quickly, because when the hair is wet, it kind of just weighs it down. So if you've got issues where the hair just stands straight up, or it's poking out, or you got some bedhead, just go in with a little bit of water like that. I'm not saying soak your hair. Again, you've got like 5 minutes to get out the door. And then what you can do is you can spray in Tidal Wave, one spritz over those troubled areas. If you have time to blow dry it, then you can blow dry it. But then what you can do is you can work the product in, because Tidal Wave, as it dries, it's going to give you some volume, it's going to give you some texture, and then you'll be pretty much good to go and get out the door. So all of these hairstyles and these hair fixes can be done literally in under 5 minutes. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and check out my $10 haircut handbook and guide. It's a PDF downloadable file. It's literally right here. You can purchase it right through here, available anywhere in the world. It's a PDF downloadable file, only $10. You have to check this out if you want to improve getting better haircuts. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.